You are a cunt. Did this statement offend you? Did you feel I am talking to you? Cause that right there is self-awareness. Did you take that personally? Or even better, are you angry with me? If your answer to any of the two questions out there was yes, then my friend, this video is not for you. And I think I will meet you in the next one, but I highly doubt that. So moving on, if you are cool with that, hello king. Sup? So as you know, as you have spawned on this stupid planet, you are no stranger to stupidity. Just like you have subscribed to this retarded channel, so you are no stranger to retardation. I am talking about the shittiest place on this stupid planet. No, I am not talking about North Korea. What the fuck is this Asian hate, man? Grow up. I am talking about Twitter. Twitter is literally the playground of the liberals. Like, for obvious reasons. They are too sensitive to play on the playground because sunlight is harsh and that will vaporize them. Pretty basic shit. Noob. So the thing is, Mr. Beast got called out on Twitter. Pretty basic stuff. Yo, what the fuck can I do if the year is boring?
And that's all for today. Until next time, when the topic will be brand management.
So if you stay away from Twitter and you don't know what happened, I'm really happy for you. I wish for your happiness and prosperity, and for the love of God, please don't touch Twitter ever. And as for the context of the video, Mr. Beast is going to recreate Squid Games, like only the games from that show, and that will cost him around $2 million. And some cunts on Twitter got, I know you can guess it. Yes! Bam! 10 points. There are just 3 easy steps to liberalism. Get offended, share your opinion, just play it like you are doing it for a greater cause. And for this I would like to blame Tobey Maguire.
Pizza time.
And all those superhero movies which made you believe that you are a superhero who is working for a cause greater than yourself. No, you are not. You are just a regular cunt. Just like me. Hot take, but I feel once you have reached this level of wealth, maybe you should be using paid wealth to benefit the impoverished and not use it to recreate a show that is a direct critic of that exact thing being done here. But hey, that's just me. Yes, I totally agree. This is a hot take. This is the hot dump that you should have taken in your toilet. But Twitter promotes same thing. So it's cool. Do you know the best part of Twitter? You don't need to take your pants off before shitting. Like for real. You don't need to know about the environment. Like little did this innocent soul know that all the money that this stuff will make will go to food banks. Total waste of money, blah blah blah. तेरी मम्मी से तो उधार मांग के नहीं कर रहा है ना भोसड़ी के. अपना संभाल. The idea that somebody has this much money and makes people who need money jump through hoops in order to get feels like poverty porn. Why not? If you have the money, just give it away. Then again, that doesn't get views. Now, Squid Game was a 20+ million budget show, which made over 900 million. And I am talking dollars. $900 million. Okay, fuck Squid Game. Let's talk Marvel. The stuff that you jerk off to. Let's talk of Endgame. It was a 300 million budget film which made over $2 billion. Like, this kind of money can be used to eradicate poverty, right? Why spend money on going to moon or Mars when you can use that to feed the poor? I am an YouTuber, mate. I have all day. I can sit here and say this about anything and everything. Now you might call it an universal statement because it goes with everything. But just because it is going with everything doesn't mean it is universal. Because people these days are too stupid to understand the shit they are talking about. You know, I'm the stupidest guy in my class. Every one of my friends are smarter than me. That's why they have cracked the entrance and I am sitting here making videos. But whenever I logged into Twitter, like I am talking about the time before I got banned on Twitter, I never felt alone. I realized there are guys way more stupid than me. Like, these guys are so fucking obsessed with pronouns. भाई तू इंडिया में रहता है, तेरे इंग्लिश पेपर में 20 मार्क्स का प्रीपोजिशन पूछेगा. Let's admit it, Twitter is the shittiest place on earth. Twitter is like the Nazi Germany where everyone is Hitler. As of the attention seeking shit, bro, the guy has over 10 million subs. His community is big enough and they know what he is. And moreover, everyone knows what he is. And you know what? At some point you will also be called an attention seeker if you try to get a bit more exposure. People make it sound like it is something immoral, it is something bad. And don't try to prove your point to people who are not ready to understand. People who have never worked to make their content better will never understand you.
Oh shit, here we go again.
Don't care about these people. They have worked on self-love and self-acceptance so much that they have thrown improvement out of their window. Okay, let's talk about charity then. This guy runs multiple charity programs.
Which is why I started my very own charity, and 100% of the revenue from this channel will go towards funding it. Let me show you around. We adopted every dog at a dog shelter, bought everything in 5 stores, and then gave it away, donated $1 million worth of food to people in need, gave a homeless person a house, raised $20 million, planted 20 million trees.
Ham, all of that center of the plate protein item,
Yeah.
it's really hard for the food banks and the clients that they serve to be able to obtain. So this is a game changer.
And we're gonna take 1 million servings and give them to food bank.
How many have you contributed to? How many growing artists have you supported? How many growing creators have you supported? And by support, I don't mean monetary support. Like to help them get a reach, like to help them expand their audience base. No shit, I have seen guys who won't like the video even if they like it. Like clicking that like button will give them aids. Moral of the story is I like Mr. Beast, he is doing a great job. And all the charity he does is additional. And you don't need to care about Twitter because Twitter banned my Twitter account. So fuck Twitter. So as I can see, my king here survived till the end. That means a lot. This was not any productive video. This was just me shitting over Twitter because I like to do that. And they have given me this chance. So why not? And on a serious note, if you like my content, then please do share it with your friends. Because the reach these days is really shitty. And I know I am the only small YouTuber who is asking you to do this at the end of his video. And that's what some extra points, bro. So share it with your friends. Share it as much as you can. Anywhere you can. Only if you like my stuff. And you know, this can be a good way to slide into her DMs. Just saying. Just saying. So anyway, thanks for watching. Thanks for sticking around till the end. Means a lot. And I will meet you in the next one.